is a classical plot sextant, such as the one I use for thousands of sites on my voyages. This is how you bring down the sun to the horizon. This is the shades for the horizon. This is the shade for the sun, and you have to manipulate it rather quickly. This is the coarse adjustment, and this is the fine adjustment. Yeah. This is how small my Bris minisextant is to the ordinary sextant. You can see it's, well, not much at all. I invented the Bris minisextant by going back to the fundamental principles. It creates images of the sun by double and quadruple reflections. The even number of reflections gives the images constant and specific angles, because when the ship rocks, what is changed in the first mirror is compensated by the second mirror. Other optical instruments, like the radar reflector, uses the same principles. If a ray comes in here, it's reflected down here, and the ray comes out parallel. Now, for example, if the ray comes in from here, goes out here, and is reflected here, down here, and comes out also parallel. So whatever angle you hit the radar reflector, it always comes back to you. Now the Bris sextant, two of the mirror, here comes one ray, reflects here and back. So however you tilt it, the ray always comes out at the same angle, because what is lost in one mirror is compensated by the other. There is a mathematical relationship between time, position, and angle. If you know two, you can calculate the third. To calibrate the instrument, you proceed as follows. You go to a place where you have a free horizon, you know your position, you watch the sun setting towards the horizon, and you time it. With the time and position, you can calculate the angle. And you proceed so for each of the images in the sextant. In that way, you can make a list of angles. When using the Bris minisextant at sea to find your position, you watch the sun getting down to the horizon, and with that you find the angle. As it touches the horizon, you take the time. With angle and time, you calculate your position. Instead of holding the Bris minisextant, you can make a little holder and attach it to your glasses, like this. When the sextant is attached to your glasses, you got both hands free for holding yourself and writing down the time. And yeah, it's dead steady. It's just like watching a sunset through a keyhole. And the only thing you have to do is, when the sun touches the horizon, writing down the times. When you look through the Bris sextant at the horizon, this is what you see. You see the horizon here, and you have 8 images of the sun. Each of them has a specific angle which is calibrated, so it's exact. In the afternoon, they descend. In the morning, they rise. And when one is touching the horizon, that's when you take the time. So with my little sextant, you can just put it on your glasses or you can hold it in between your fingers, looking at the horizon, and it's very easy, and it's dead steady. It's just like watching a sunset, except it's like repeating the sunset. A precision instrument for finding your position, a backup to GPS. And here, find a little sextant. And here is the instructions. The formulas and everything. On strong paper.